Welcome to the in front of you Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to turn off or turn on silent mode on this device. So just to do that, we should first press up or down volume button on the right side of our smartphone, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Click on the bell icon and switch it to the crossed bar, and now we can see that our calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to just turn it off, by the same way, press up or down volume button and switch crossed bell to the regular one. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.